Mawu asikubingelele sikubukele.
Sanibonani njani?
Siyaphila thina wena njani?
Ngiyaphila kakhulu. I'm just happy. One thing I can say.
I'm beautiful performance you just did
Yeah.
stage. Uzizwa unjani if uzoperforma to the fullest of the moon nabantu bakuthasele ngalendlela abenze ngakhona?
Lalela benga-expectanga and when I got he was like, what?
Yes.
And also it's actually outside Itanitula. It's like 16 minutes away.
Yeah.
But benga-expect just like a mini club. But then seeing people happy, bejabulile singing along my songs. I was so excited.
Yeah.
Ungijabulisa kakhulu lokho.
Not to buy amehlo akho, let me tell you, we've been here early, way before you were here.
Yeah.
The Hyperman and the MC, whenever they were saying, are you ready for my woo? Like, because inkundla yonke, kuthini kuwena ukuthi you have so much fans and you are highly loved in South Africa, more especially in this province of KwaZulu-Natal.
Lalela kungijabulisa kakhulu because I feel like abantu bangakithi bengangilalela kakhulu.
Yes.
But after kwenza ingoma ukuthi Mthandeni,
Yes.
that's when they pay attention. Into ezoyiqala ukuthi bengifika eshowe bengisekhaya thusa khona. Ngibona amapolo edlula ama-BMW bedlala ingoma. I was like, oh my
Yes.
God, this is amazing. Kungijabulisa kakhulu uthando engithola ngakithi. You know, they say kumele uqale ekhaya, isapho kumele uqale la osuka ngakhona, you know.
True.
So kungijabulisa kakhulu shame I'm excited and bangibona, bang-recognize, you know.
Yes, charity begins at home.
Yes.
Tina Siwazi, or you were more popular as a vocalist na Legma Pian.
Yes.
And then you just jump where with General Lena, Yamaskandi wangena kuyona. Is it likely ukuthi uzophinda sikubone mhlawumbe doing ama-feature with amanye ama-artists from other genres? Noma sengasabona uMaskandi?
Yeah. One thing I know, with if you're a vocalist,
Yes.
if you're a singer, if you're a writer, akumele ube specific in one genre.
Yes.
Kumele umuntu owazi ukucula ngempela vele kumele yaziwe yonke indawo ukuthi okay, this one can go in this, can do Maskandi, can do hip hop, can do Maskandi, can do all this brand like Afro, you know,
Yeah.
Idris Step, you know. That's when you know so this one is an amazing singer.
So
You know.
apart from music being commercial and living this career, what else would Umahu do mangathiwa music is out?
Nga-act.
Is it?
Listen, man, I know how to do that. Just that I wasn't lucky enough.
Yeah.
Because before I even do music, into ebengisiza kakhulu uku-acta but angase ngiwine lapho
Yeah.
ngiwina ku-music kakhulu.
Yeah, and you're going far with the music. If you say you are not lucky enough, I tend to disagree because more than thousands and thousands of fans love you. That's a luck on its own.
You know, ngihlale ngithi mina this thing of music is a calling.
Yes.
Because there are people who sing better than me, abahle okudlula mina, you know.
Yeah.
But I feel like this thing is a calling. Not everyone can do this, you know. But try abaningi bangawina.
Yes.
But you know, I'm here right now, #1 artist, leading in the country, you
Yes.
know. Kade ngibona kupostiwe kuma TikTok, ku-Twitter, Instagram, Mawu is the #1 artist. I was like, oh, this is amazing, you know. This is a calling.
Yes, yes.
Into usuke ubizwele yona, into engiyaziyo for sure.
No, siswami kube intokozo kakhulu ukukhuluma nawe, ngikuthokozele. I hope now ukuthokozele ukubalana, uzohlala uwarm, ufudumele, just like usifudumezile na the stage. Siyabonga ngesikhathi sakho. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on our notifications on our beautiful channel because we have these beautiful ladies, beautiful questions and beautiful answers. My name is Prime Commander. I'm signing out Stanley July
Thank you
Experience
so much.
2025. It is Mahu.